Okay, it looks like we're about at time here, so we can go ahead and get started. Hi, everyone, and welcome to the Igniting Event Experiences with Deep Audience Insights and Conversational AI webinar. My name is Alex Charney, and I'm going to be your host today. Thank you so much for joining us. I know everyone has a busy schedule, so we really appreciate you taking the time to be here. For about the next half hour or so, we're going to be exploring the exciting opportunities that are now possible with artificial intelligence and how technology can help you take your events to the next level. The goal here is to spark your curiosity and hopefully inspire you to infuse your upcoming events with AI. Before we get totally started, I do have just a few quick housekeeping items. Number one, there is going to be a Q&A at the end of the presentation. So if you have questions, please just drop those into the chat and we'll do our best to get them answered. If we don't get to them during the presentation, we will have someone reach out. So don't panic, you'll get your questions answered. Number two, this will be available on demand. So if something interrupts you, you can always come back and pick it up later. And number three, if you are interested in a one-on-one demo of Touchpoint Ignite after this, you can go ahead and just put the word Ignite into the chat here, and we will have someone reach out. If you're watching this back later, you can reach out to us via our website, and one of our event experts will get in touch. It does look like we have the majority of people, so we're just going to go ahead and get started. I'm excited to have my colleague Paige joining us today. Paige is a senior account executive here at Certain, and he's going to be sharing with you some of the insights around event engagement and what it can mean for your business. After that, he's going to show you a demo of Touchpoint Ignite so you can see it in action. Paige, it's great to have you.
Thanks, Alex. It's great to be here. I want to welcome everyone who's joined us here today. Your being here shows you know how important data is and that you're ready to get more out of your event data to drive business outcomes. With that in mind, we've designed today's webinar to empower your journey forward. We'll go through some of the current challenges that organizations like yours face when it comes to event data, and then we'll show you how you can tap into deep audience insights with a demo of our latest AI-powered solution, Touchpoint Ignite.
Let's go ahead and begin by touching on a really big challenge that your organization might be facing with regard to your event data. Companies often limit themselves to collecting only the most basic event data like name, address, etc., and they end up missing out on a wealth of valuable event engagement insights. Today, we're going to be showing you how to tap into deeper insights and take actions at the right time so you can elevate your event experiences, improve outcomes, and ultimately drive better business results.
Right. Navigating through event data can often feel like a daunting task. For many of you, the sheer volume of data presents a big challenge, not just in terms of collecting, but in unlocking the valuable insights that are hidden. You don't always get clear signs of what all that data is actually telling you or what to do next. So you end up making decisions, but without a full understanding of your buyer, predicting what's going to happen next or what your attendees might want. Without a crystal ball, you're left guessing. Not to mention the old school method of tracking everything in spreadsheets, right? It's just slow, it's ripe for mistakes, and it's awful. Then there's the follow-up game. We all know that timing is everything, but if you're too slow, those opportunities just disappear. And really understanding what our attendees are looking for, that's often missed, leading to opportunities slipping right through your fingers, lost revenue, and outcomes we didn't want. In this webinar, we'll demystify these challenges and equip you with the knowledge to turn the overwhelming amount of data into actionable insights so you can stop guessing and start knowing by getting the most out of your events. So let's dive in. What is Touchpoint Ignite? It is an intelligent event app designed to transform your attendee engagement data into deep audience insights. It captures buying signals before, during, and after an event, providing a 360-degree view of audience behaviors that transpire at each stage of your life cycle. The app is integrated with event intelligence and an AI conversational interface that empowers organizations to drive greater revenue and results from their events. It is important to note that collecting data is one aspect, but deriving meaningful insights from it and doing so effectively at scale is an entirely different challenge. While others may be able to turn your reports into visualizations, the difference with what we're introducing to you today is our ability to slice and dice the data as needed. So without further ado, let's show you a demo so you can see Touchpoint Ignite in action. I have my colleague Max here who's going to demo the product. Hey, Max.
Hey, Paige.
So let's say I hosted a conference a while ago, and let's say it was called a Data Intelligence Forum. It was a multi-day event with multiple sessions per day. This was to help us gauge engagement levels. We had captured feedback from surveys, polls, and shared a video and a few other resources. How can Touchpoint Ignite help me gain deeper insights and identify trends for this event?
Yes, I'm happy to show you. So what you're looking at here is a really cool and intelligent engagement dashboard. It offers comprehensive insights into your attendees' behaviors and trends so you can make informed decisions. What's more is that it provides you with a deep understanding of the most captivating sessions, key engagement metrics, detailed feedback and sentiment analysis from attendees.
Okay, this is really great. Where is all this data coming from?
So the information you see on this dashboard is derived from interactions with our event app. So you asked me a question. Let me answer your question about your event. You can get general feedback for the event by looking at sentiment and summary section. I'm going to open that up for you.
All right.
So this, what you see on the screen, is the result of feedback surveys. It contains the most mentioned topics, the bigger, the most topic has been mentioned, as well as the sentiment associated to them in an answer to a question like, what is your feedback for this event? Additionally, we generate an AI-powered summary that compiles and condenses feedback from all the responses, providing a comprehensive overview of attendee sentiments and topics discussed. So think about it. Instead of having to parse several hundreds of surveys answered to get the trend, we can run our dashboard and get it in a click, saving hours, if not days of effort. How cool is that? And we can do that at the event level, as you can see, but I can also drill down to each and every single session run at my event and get the same sentiment analysis.
Okay, wow. That looks incredible. I've never seen anything like this, right? Specifically to give me an idea about sentiment. I'm also interested in knowing more about the content that you shared with our audience during the event. I remember during the planning, we had a lot of back and forth internally about how much time and budget to spend on videos. And I'm curious to know if people actually watch them.
Yeah, that's a good question, and it's legitimate. So if you look at engagement summary section right here, we have the different engagement, and you can see viewed videos right there. And you can see that more than 80% of your participants viewed at least one video. So to me, looks like it was time worth spending.
Yeah, that's good to know. So I don't have to guess anymore. I would also like to dig a little bit deeper and find out maybe what specific videos were watched the most.
Sure. So if we drill down to the next, just below, engaging content section, I'm going to switch to the viewed videos, and you can see that your top video was from data to dollars, and it has been watched by 199 attendees.
Wow. Okay. Understanding what content resonated the most with the audience is a great example of how insights can impact the success of future events. It's very helpful to know. I want to look here at the bottom left of this dashboard. I see there's another section called session analysis. Can you tell me what type of insights it provides?
Sure. So this section was built to provide deeper insights into specific sessions within an event. It can be used in various ways. So you need to understand that each bubble on the screen is actually a session, and you can use this graph to easily see which session was your most engaging, that's the one right here, or the least engaging. You can also identify which session had the most number of participants. We had a big keynote. That's easy to spot. That's the biggest bubble on the screen. Or you can leverage the color coding to see which session had the most positive feedback, this one right here, or the least positive feedback right there.
Okay, this is incredible. So what I'm gathering is that this offers everything from engagement patterns, sentiment and interest levels to content insights. And also what I'm seeing is what sets this event app apart from others is that it goes beyond the basic registration info. It continuously captures and analyzes data and interprets it into meaningful insights that you can act on, like how attendees navigate through the event, what sessions they attend, the topics or sessions that generate the most interest, and how they interact with the content and other attendees. This engagement dashboard is truly amazing. Max, thanks for showing it to me. What if I'm looking for specific insights about one of my events that isn't already part of this dashboard?
Sure, that's a great question. What I'm about to show you is what makes Touchpoint Ignite a game changer, really.
Okay.
We have built an AI-powered conversational interface that's embedded right into the app for you. As you can see, it allows you to simply ask a question in plain English, and you get back insights as part of your response for your specific event question. So here, the sky is the limit. No need for a data analyst or a dashboard anymore. Just ask and you get it.
Okay, so you got your insights right here at your fingertips.
Correct.
I've never seen insights generated like this before, so would love to, this seems like it significantly expands the possibilities. And it feels like we're not just confined to the options of the dashboard, right? Would love to try asking a few questions about my event that we had and see if the AI knows the information I'm looking for. Can we kind of test it out a little bit?
Sure, let's do that. Whatever you want.
All right. What was the most recent event on data topic? Like when's the last time that we had an event that was about data?
Sure, let's ask that. So as you can see, I'm just typing my question, plain English. No skills needed besides knowing how to speak. And the chatbot is parsing the data and is going to deliver the results right here. So most recent event, Data Intelligence Forum back in January.
Okay, pretty cool. How many people came to the event? Like, can we dive a little bit deeper here?
Sure.
Okay.
Let's go. Here you go. 796 participants in that event.
All right. Just thought of a hard one. What if I want to know the job titles from the participant perspective?
Sure.
Can we parse it down even further?
Yeah.
All right.
And you have to bear with me because I typed very
I'm putting you on the spot here. Yep.
Yeah,
Nice.
and I'm not a fast typer, so.
So it can even handle typos, looks like.
Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah.
No, I mean, yeah.
It should,
great.
yeah. See, it does.
Okay.
Here you go. So research assistant, programmers, developer. That's
Wow.
a top 5.
Okay. And got a presentation coming up. I'm going to be presenting to, my boss and management. Can I get this in a graph? Can I see what it would look like if
Sure, let's ask.
If I need a graph for the presentation?
Let's see. Here you go. You get a graph, and you can even export this one, so you can put that into your presentation or an email, whatever you need.
Yeah, amazing. Wow. All right, so we're like down in the nitty gritty. Want to bring it back up to the top. Like, what if we just want like general event feedback? Can it handle something like that?
Sure. Yes. What is the event feedback? Again, another typo.
Yeah, I see that. And so where is it gathering this information from, Max? Just to reiterate, we're
yeah. So here the engine is parsing all the data we have in the event that was flagged and AI tagged as feedback. So whether it is in polls or surveys or questions, we collect all the feedback and we surface that. So here you go. You get a nice summary of the event feedback. As you can see, this event was very insightful, informative, engaging, but there's still some things that people found that could be improved. So maybe too technical for some of the sessions or rushed, or more time for Q&A. So you have things to improve.
Okay, I do this event every year, and it looks like it's telling me some things to improve. Can it give me kind of an idea what to improve for next year?
Sure,
Like
let's ask.
feedback and suggest? Yeah.
I'm going to ask what the tool suggests to improve for the next.
I'm about to be blown away, I have a feeling. This is really cool. If it can do it, Max, I'm not convinced.
I'm confident. Here you go. So the application just passed the previous feedback. So everything that is in the data, we have the feedback, and we can use that to ask. And you see, now you have some bullet points, really clear guidance on what to do next, balance your technical content, more interactive sessions, hey, take time to do Q&A, networking opportunities. So this is ammunitions for you to improve for the next conference.
Amazing. Yeah, I like definitely helpful to know kind of what are key things that I can do for next conference and don't have to spend all that time. So, this would save me a load of time. What are some other use cases that could benefit from this kind of technology?
Yeah, so we are just getting started. So the team is working hard, and we are working towards many more business use cases, such as looking for event improvements. Something cool is ask for an executive summary that you can use in presentation. Learn the basics about the event. Also get account-based insights. Use as a planning assistance for a next event, like we just started to do. Compare results to objective. You can say, hey, my objective was that, and the tool will help you say you made it or not. Or even more advanced data analysis to find patterns. So that's what we're working towards.
Excellent. Max, thank you so much. I hope our audience found this demo helpful. I'll have Alex take it from here. Alex.
Great. Thank you guys. And thanks for the demo. Very informative. Looks like this could make a lot of people's lives much easier. So just to kind of wrap up here, I would like to take just a few seconds to kind of go over why Touchpoint Ignite. Number one, because Touchpoint Ignite is an intelligent event app, as you guys saw, that is designed to efficiently capture, analyze, and transform your audience engagement data into incredibly actionable insights. Number two, you're getting buying signals right at your fingertips. You're gaining a 360-degree view of audience behaviors at every single stage of the event and at scale. Finally, as you just saw, this is a conversational solution, AI-powered, that empowers you to make data-driven decisions efficiently and swiftly with context-rich insights. We are going to take this time to hop over into the Q&A session. So if you have any questions, you can go ahead and pop those in the chat. And like I said, we will do our best to get to them. If we don't get to your question, we will reach out afterwards and get you an answer. So what options are available if I would like to customize my visualizations to my needs?
Yeah, I can take that one. So we do support custom dashboard. You will be able to engage with our professional services team, who will consult with you to capture your business goals and deliver a custom dashboard tailored to your requirements and needs.
Okay. Do you have any best practices on how to capture engagement data that will generate the best results?
Yeah, I can take that one as well. This is key indeed. And our PS team will be providing their consultative expertise along with business goals oriented templates to help you collect meaningful data that delivers the actionables insight.
Okay, awesome. That's very helpful. I know that can be a crucial step, is making sure you're getting the right stuff to begin with so the tool works its best. How long does setup typically take?
So this one depends. If you already use our event app, we will get you up and running in a couple of days. As a new customer, Touchpoint Ignite will be ready by the time you run your first event. So plenty of time.
Okay, so it's pretty quick. Great, that is awesome. So we are gonna move forward. Again, if we didn't get your question answered, we will reach out with an answer. So thank you for putting those in the chat. Now that you've seen what the app can do for you, please do let us know what you think. If you're ready to get started, which of course we hope that you are, you can contact us using the Contact Us button on our website, certain.com, or you can put the word ignite in the chat here and we will have someone reach out to you. So thank you guys again for your time. We really appreciate you joining us, and we hope that this inspired you to infuse your events with more AI, and we hope to hear from you soon.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.